In this guide, I'm gonna show you how to set up or enable dark mode in your Google Chrome. First, hit the Windows key in your desktop, and in the search bar, type in Google Chrome, and then hit enter. After loading Google Chrome, you will notice three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Click on these three dots and scroll a little, and there you will see the settings icon. Click on the settings icon, and on the left menu of the screen, you will see the Appearance tab. Click on this Appearance tab, and there it is. And then find the Mode section, since we will be using this for modifying the theme of our Chrome. So as you can see here, I am using light theme. So let's set it to dark theme. And there it is. We have enabled dark theme in our Google Chrome. So that's it. Thank you for listening.